Hey, hi Angel.
Hi, Stanley.
Thanks for joining. How's your day? Or how are you?
Good. Today our new schedule, uh, is published. So
hmm
we change the schedule with our colleges.
hmm Okay, cool. So are you adjusting to your new schedule or do you like your new schedule?
And I just adjust my schedule because
Okay.
I don't want to fly to Ams the Europe. I don't want to fly to Europe.
Oh, okay. That's how many hours is that from where you live?
You mean from here to
hmm
Europe?
Or like to Amsterdam or something?
Yeah, Aston 14 hours.
That's rough.
Yes.
Oh, 14 hours
It's a long
one way.
flight.
Mm.
Yeah, for one way.
Oh man, that is that is tough. So uh what flight routes do you prefer?
Prefer to prefer America, the
Oh,
routes,
okay.
and Australia.
Oh, you guys fly Australia too. Okay. All right.
Yes.